Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt. I'm here with Austin, and she's going to get her full body adjustment today. And did you want to do the ring dinger today, or you're not sure?
What is that?
That's the one where I lock her hips in place and pull with the towel.
Yes.
You want to do that too? Oh yeah. And she's got some scoliosis going on, and she said her whole back hurts, so we're going to crack everything and get her lined up and then do the ring dinger. You ready?
Yeah.
Right, face down. And just put your hands like this. I'm going to slide you down a little bit here. There we go. Have you been to a chiropractor before?
No, I haven't.
So this is your first adjustment too.
Yes.
Yeah, I can feel how her ribs are curved off like this. Just relax. So your left leg just a little bit short here. And then it actually gets a little bit longer when I lift it up, so that tells me that your sacrum's off a little bit. Is usually the right side more tender?
Yes.
All the way up?
Yes.
Okay, take a deep breath. All the way out. And just relax. How's that for your first adjustment? How's it?
Pretty good.
Yeah, right here. Relax. Yeah. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Just relax. This way. Relax. Good. Very good. Okay. Now you're gonna lay sideways, face me. Bring this leg up, just like that. Yep. There you go. Just totally relaxed. Very good. Other side. Yeah, just like that. On your back. Are these always tight like that?
Yes.
Relax, I'm just gonna grab this a little bit. Now you're gonna give yourself a hug, like that. Lift your head up. Yep. Just relax. Lean back over my fist. Yep. Right here. There you go. Face that way. Yeah. There you go. Okay, come on over here. And you're just gonna sit here and then land back. Head up that way. Put your head up. Like that. Does that feel good?
Yes.
Slide down a little bit. Hands be just right over your head. Keep coming. A little bit more. A little bit. There you go. Yeah, just like that. It's gonna be a little bit tighter, okay? Yep. Just relax. Now you're just gonna want to keep your teeth together. Yep. And just relax and breathe through your nose. There you go. Yep. Did you feel that one?
Yes.
All the way down? Yep. Sit up. Now you're gonna stand like this, face that way. Okay, link your fingers together. Yep, just like that. And just relax, yep, and lean back and pinch your elbows. Yep, in front. There you go. Very good. Alright, now I'm just gonna shoot you with my little gun here. Put your palms out. Palms out and bring them back. Kind of bring your shoulders back. Like this. Just like that. Look straight ahead. There you go. This will help you to hold your adjustment. Alright. Alright, Austin, is there anything you'd like to say to our YouTube viewers about your adjustment today?
I feel pretty good.
You look good? And you look like you're standing up straighter too, so that's good too. Very good. Thank you. Alright.